Dino-Lite AM4113T digital microscope review. Real precision in the palm of your hand. Have you ever squinted at a tiny component, coin, or solder joint and realized your eyes simply cannot give you the detail you need? I once watched a colleague miss a microscopic PCB bridge that caused an entire board failure simply because he had no proper visual tool on hand. Does that sound frustratingly familiar? Tell me what you are trying to inspect below. That pressure of not seeing clearly enough quietly stacks up over time. You try phone cameras, cheap magnifiers, and reading glasses, yet nothing gives you reliable, repeatable accuracy when it actually matters. The overwhelm of second-guessing every inspection slows your work and erodes your confidence. There has to be a smarter, steadier, more controlled way to see what is really there. Then everything changed when I found the Dino-Lite AM4113T digital microscope. Don't just pick any digital microscope. Make sure it has a built-in micro-touch sensor, so you never waste time fumbling for your mouse during a live inspection again. First time I used it, I placed a coin under the lens, dialed into 50 times optical magnification, and saw mint marks I had never noticed with any other tool. Here is what surprised me. The micro-touch button on the body let me freeze that exact frame with one tap while both hands stayed on the specimen, which changed my inspection workflow completely. 8 adjustable LEDs eliminated glare on reflective surfaces instantly. The two-dimensional measurement software calibrated in seconds and delivered repeatable dimensional accuracy across every capture. Real-time 30 frames per second video kept the live feed fluid during movement. USB plug-and-play meant zero driver headaches on both Windows and Mac. Let me be honest, the working distance range from 14 millimeters all the way to 240 millimeters handles everything from micro components to larger specimens without repositioning. The long-term proof gets even more convincing. Using the Dino-Lite AM4113T digital microscope over time reveals a consistency that casual inspection tools never deliver. A quality control engineer who adopted it on a manufacturing floor noted that the calibrated two-dimensional measurement tools cut inspection time significantly, specifically crediting the micro-touch capture for keeping hands on parts instead of reaching for the mouse between every reading. A science content creator praised the 30 frames per second frame rate and 1.3 megapixel sharpness during live streams, saying the image quality made complex specimens visually accessible for broad audiences without any post-processing. From a market analysis perspective, the AM4113T delivers professional-grade metrology software bundled at a mid-range price point that would otherwise require much larger capital investment in traditional optical setups. A PCB repair technician mentioned measuring pad-to-pad distances for a custom adapter board using the software, something that previously required a separate measurement tool entirely. Some buyers initially hesitate over the 1.3 megapixel resolution compared to newer, higher megapixel models. That concern is reasonable, yet for the vast majority of industrial inspection, quality control, educational demonstration, and collector use cases, this sensor delivers clean, accurate, and reliable results consistently. What would clearer inspection immediately improve in your daily workflow? The Dino-Lite AM4113T digital microscope gives you professional-level visual clarity, one-touch image capture, and calibrated measurement accuracy without needing a dedicated lab setup or technical training. Professionals across electronics repair, quality control, numismatics, and education already rely on it daily for dependable inspection results. Results may vary based on application and specimen type. If this sounds like the precision upgrade your workflow deserves, click the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment to explore it today and see the difference for yourself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.